It's going to be another day of political fireworks in Parliament. This time, the issue that the opposition is focusing on is the suspension of 12 opposition MPs over the ruckus that broke out in the monsoon session. Now, the opposition is coming together to demand that the suspension be revoked, and the suspended MPs today will in fact be holding a dharna outside Parliament. Leader of opposition Mallikarjun Kharge wrote a letter to the Rajya Sabha chairman Venkaiah Naidu on behalf of the suspended MPs and appealed to consider the order, to reconsider it. Kharge in his letter called the move an unprecedented one and said that MPs should be given a chance to present their case, to present their version of events. He also added that the suspension order should be revoked to the larger interest of Parliament. Earlier, Rajya Sabha chairman Venkaiah Naidu rejected the opposition's demand to revoke the suspension order and said that there will be a rethink only if MPs apologize and express remorse. Opposition MPs are defiant and have refused to apologize so far. They've called the suspension as undemocratic and they said that this is the death of democracy. The opposition has already threatened the government to boycott the entire winter session if the suspension is not revoked.
Shahi Murdabad! 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 Kill democracy! Don't become a despot!
Let's take this across to our National Affairs editor, Rahul Srivastava. Rahul, good morning. You know, yesterday when we had a conversation, we were also talking about the due procedure because that was something that the opposition questioned that led to the suspension of these MPs. What's very clear right now is that this stalemate continues because the opposition and the suspended MPs are making it very clear that there's no question of an apology, and that's the one condition that Rajya Sabha chair has put forward.
Yes, both the government and the chairman of the Rajya Sabha have underlined the fact that the incident happened on the last day of the fading stages of the monsoon session of Parliament, and that is why the issue could not be taken up. And once the motion was cleared through a voice vote, means it was the sense of the House, and that is why the only way out of the impasse is if those MPs who have been suspended or who have been action has been taken against them, they apologize and express a sense of regret. And the opposition is certain, opposition leaders are certain that they don't really want to do that. In fact, the opposition ranks continue to stay divided with the Trinamool Congress. Part of among the MPs, two of them figuring in the list of the suspended MPs, not towing the same line as the Congress party, not at least like being seen with the Congress party. Somewhere that divide in the opposition and the clarity that they need to express a sense of regret, it seems that the statement is likely to continue. But on the other hand, in the Lok Sabha, given the fact that the MPs belong to the Rajya Sabha, also the fact that the numerical game in Lok Sabha is such that even if certain number of MPs go out or the inside, it doesn't really make any difference to the numerical strength of the BJP or the ruling party. Eventually, there is a peace has been brokered. So one will have to wait and see whether today, when the session resumes, the sittings resume in the morning at around 11, there will be no ruckus as the opposition and the government have reached an accord that there will be smooth functioning after the intervention of the Speaker, Mr. Om Birla.
All right, we'll see how that plays out. For the moment, Rahul, thank you very much for joining us with all those details.